guys, it's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's Frisky Friday video, I'm just going to be giving you guys a rundown of my Christmas. So this would probably be like from the starting of December to the ending of December. Disclaimer, I did not do a lot of stuff for Christmas. Why? I have work. So unless y'all want to see me working, which my work, I am 100% sure that I'm not going to be allowed to record myself doing work stuff, but I was literally at work for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Boxing Day. I was literally at work, so I didn't go anywhere, and I most definitely think that even if I was at home, I still wouldn't go anywhere. If you know me well, you know that I'm a homebody, so the outside world is not for me. So when you guys see me posting stuff about outside, here I come with outside of my eyelash cap. But yeah, so a little disclaimer, I didn't really go anywhere, but I'm making this video for content, and if you do love me, you will continue to watch the video, and I do know that you know that I know that you love me, so continue watching the video. Now, some of the stuff that I did not vlog, unfortunately, because lately I've been having some technical difficulties, but I try my best to get a little 2-minute or 3-minute video of stuff here and there. Now, the first thing I wanted to do for you guys was to vlog my basically Christmas preparation, which was vlogging my nails. I got my nails done for the first time like this. I'm not a fan of red, but tis the season. They're red, and on the ring finger, I got some rhinestones on my toes. My toes are red. This is my hair. I did a little blunt cut because I wanted to do something new. Basically, I've been wearing braids all my life. If you don't know, I am a braid guru. I am a braid specialist. I am always getting braid, but I just wanted to do something new, so I decided to get a little weave, a sewing weave. I got a blunt cut center part. Okay, so now I want to show you guys some stuff that I got for Christmas. The first thing that I want to show y'all is this sugar scrubs. Oh, it's not too good. Oh, I got a sugar scrub and a body butter. Tahitian vanilla bean. That's what it is. So I got this Tahitian vanilla bean sugar scrub. Yep. This is actually the first time I'm ever getting a sugar scrub. I've always wanted to get one, but I never got the chance to actually buy one for myself. So I'm really glad that I got this. It smells so good, by the way.
Choose your fighter.
It's basically vanilla. It's basically vanilla. I love it. I cannot wait to use those. I think I'm going to do a skincare routine with those, so I am very grateful for those. And inside the box I got some exfoliating glove and sanitizers. The next gift that I got is, I know what this is, guys, so I am not going to act brand new. I do know what this is. I looked at it. So I got a charm. It is a R. My name is Rafaya, so y'all know what it stands for. This is so cute. The other side is just very shiny, silver shiny, and the other side it has hearts in the details. I love it. The next gift that I got is again. This is a charm as well. So it is basically in the shape of a circle, and in the circle it is made up of a lot of hearts, and on the little additional part to it, it says I love you. I love this. I'm going to put them on as soon as I'm through with this video. I am so grateful. I am so happy. I might not seem excited, guys, because I've already seen my gifts. So the folks know that I am super grateful. The folks got my full reaction. I really love them and I'm super grateful for them. The next gift that I got is, so the first one I'm going to show you guys is actually the Aldo Midnight glasses. These are so cute. I really love them. The thing with me is I see stuff, I like stuff, I plan to pair them and wear them with stuff, but I never go anywhere. And even if I do go somewhere, I don't take the bomb pictures that I have in my mind or that I would want to take to post. So, but let me show you guys. These are super cute. These are like some retro glasses as well too. So. But for the upcoming year, I am planning to do a lot of changes. Like I'm planning to just put myself out there, be more of a youngin and not so much of a old person, because I am literally realizing that I am too much of a whole body and I am young. So imagine when I get older. But the next gift that I got in there is this cute little purse. And y'all already know this is my favorite color, period. I cannot wait to wear this. Where? I don't know, but so cute, right? I am in love. I cannot wait to wear this. That's the gifts that I have so far. I have another gift, but unfortunately I don't have it with me. This is actually tripod for my camera. I bought that for myself. That was my Christmas gift to myself. As soon as I collect it, I'll do a review for you guys, or you might just see me pop up showing you that, hey, this is a new tripod, and that would be the tripod. I'm super grateful for the gifts that I received, and I love each and every one of the person that provided me with these gifts. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive comments. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms at AYAFARRR. That is IFR with 3 R's. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys.